English expressions 3. Shake a leg, hurry up, mad as a hatter, crazy, long in the tooth old, break a leg, good luck, over the top, excessive, off one's rocker, crazy, piece of cake, very easy, 40 winks, a short nap, up in the air, uncertain, zip your lip, keep quiet, sleight of hand, trickery, tie the knot, get married, get the lead out, hurry up, throw in the towel, give up, stir the pot, cause trouble, shoot for the moon, aim high, chew the fat, chat or gossip, catch -22. A no-win situation. Cut and dry, simple and clear. Go out on a limb, take a risk. Cry wolf, raise a false alarm. Tooth and nail, fight fiercely. Right off the bat, immediately. Lend an ear, listen to someone. Under the weather, feeling ill. Shot in the dark, a wild guess. On cloud 9, extremely happy. Time is money, time is valuable. Time flies, time passes quickly. Red tape, excessive bureaucracy. Get a leg up, gain an advantage. Out of the woods, out of danger. Have a blast, have a great time. Fit as a fiddle, in good health. On the ball, alert and efficient, living on the edge, taking risks. Keep your chin up, stay positive. Spill the beans, reveal a secret. Off the cuff, without preparation. In the nick of time, just in time. Wild goose chase, a futile search. Spitting image, an exact likeness. Talk the talk, speak convincingly. Pop the question, propose marriage. Call the shots, make the decisions. Take a rain check, postpone a plan. My cup of tea, something you enjoy. Miss the boat, miss an opportunity. No dice, no chance or not possible. Gut feeling, an instinctive feeling. Swallow your pride, humble yourself. Walk on eggshells, be very cautious. Ace in the hole. A hidden advantage. Drop someone a line, send a message. Hit the road, leave, start a journey. Keep an eye out, watch for something. Sky's the limit, no limit to success. Foaming at the mouth, extremely angry. Hold your horses, wait and be patient. Give up the ghost, die or quit trying. Loose cannon, an unpredictable person. Give the cold shoulder, ignore someone. Make ends meet, earn enough to live on. Draw the line, set a limit or boundary. Get your feet wet, start something new. A slap on the wrist, a mild punishment. In the doghouse, in trouble or disfavor, small potatoes, something insignificant. Run around in circles, make no progress. Nip it in the bud, stop a problem early. In the same boat, in the same situation. A wild goose chase, a pointless pursuit. Turn a blind eye, ignore something wrong. Burn your bridges, destroy relationships. Pay through the nose, pay a lot of money. Pardon my French, excuse my bad language. Ride it out, endure a difficult situation, scot-free, without any punishment or harm. Lose your touch, lose an ability or skill. Lose your touch, lose an ability or skill. Grasp at straws, make a desperate attempt. Pull someone's leg, joke or tease someone. Know the ropes, understand how things work. Beat around the bush, avoid the main topic. Pedal to the metal, go as fast as possible. Sink or swim. Succeed or fail without help. Hold all the aces, have all the advantages. Get the lion's share, get the largest part. Raining cats and dogs, raining very heavily. Let the cat out of the bag, reveal a secret. Knock on wood, a phrase to prevent bad luck. Bury the hatchet, end a quarrel or conflict. By the skin of your teeth, narrowly, barely. A blessing in disguise, a hidden good thing. Get off on the wrong foot, make a bad start. The icing on the cake, an additional benefit. Cat's out of the bag, the secret is revealed. Start from scratch, begin from the beginning. Like two peas in a pod, very similar or close. All in the same boat, facing the same problem. Fifth wheel, an extra person who is not needed. Rain on someone's parade, ruin someone's plans. Dog days of summer, the hottest days of summer. When pigs fly, something that will never happen. Mind your P's and Q's, be on your best behavior. Come hell or high water, no matter what happens. Hit below the belt, act unfairly or unethically. Make a long story short, tell something briefly. Live and let live. Accept differences in others. Paint the town red, go out and have a good time. Get down to brass tacks, focus on the essentials. Ducks in a row, being well prepared or organized. At the drop of a hat, immediately, without delay. Go to bat for someone, support or defend someone. Add fuel to the fire, make a bad situation worse. Not playing with a full deck, not mentally sound. Change of heart, a change in opinion or feelings. From rags to riches, going from poverty to wealth. Rub salt in the wound, make a bad situation worse. Let bygones be bygones, forget past disagreements. The ball is in your court, it's your decision now. Smell something fishy, suspect something is wrong. Go against the grain, do something unconventional. Can't cut the mustard, not able to handle the job. Have the upper hand, have control or an advantage. Bite off more than you can chew, take on too much. Blow off steam, release pent-up energy or emotion. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't know either. Go the extra mile, put in more effort than required. It takes two to tango, both parties are responsible. Pass the buck, shift responsibility to someone else. Slip through the cracks, escape notice or attention. No pain, no gain. Hard work is necessary for success. Saved by the bell, saved at the last possible moment. Close, but no cigar, nearly successful but not quite. Roll with the punches, adapt to difficult situations. The writing on the wall, an obvious sign of disaster. Penny pincher, someone who is very careful with money. Hit the nail on the head, get something exactly right. Read between the lines. Understand the hidden meaning. Skeleton in the closet, a hidden, embarrassing secret. The elephant in the room, an obvious, ignored problem. Last straw, the final problem in a series of problems. Devil's advocate, argue just for the sake of argument. Feather your nest, enrich yourself at others' expense. Fly in the ointment, a small problem spoils something. Cut corners, do something the easiest or cheapest way. More than meets the eye, more going on than it appears. Don't hold your breath, don't expect it to happen soon. Put your foot in your mouth, say something embarrassing. A drop in the ocean, a very small part of something big. Once bitten, twice shy. Cautious after a bad experience. Not the sharpest tool in the shed, not very intelligent. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is not easy to obtain. Take the bull by the horns. Deal with a problem directly. Keep your nose to the grindstone. Work hard continuously. Down to the wire, something that ends at the last minute. Stick in the mud, someone who is old-fashioned or boring. Bite the bullet. Face a difficult situation with courage. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't take it too seriously. Take it with a grain of salt. Don't take it too seriously. Have bigger fish to fry. Have more important things to do. Straight from the horse's mouth, from the original source. The devil is in the details. Small details cause problems. Wear your heart on your sleeve. Show your emotions openly. Tip of the iceberg, a small part of a much bigger problem. Water under the bridge, something that can't be changed. Kill two birds with one stone. Achieve two things at once. Cross that bridge when you come to it. Deal with it later. Put your money where your mouth is. Backwards with action. Beat your head against the wall, attempting the impossible. A penny for your thoughts, asking what someone is thinking. Out of the frying pan and into the fire, from bad to worse. Like a bull in a china shop, clumsy in a delicate situation. Slow and steady wins the race. Consistency leads to success. Throw under the bus. Sacrifice someone for your own benefit. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. Don't criticize a gift. Better late than never. Better to do it late than not at all. Steal someone's thunder. Take credit for someone else's idea. The early bird catches the worm. Being early leads to success. Put all your eggs in one basket. Risk everything on one thing. There are plenty of fish in the sea. Many other options exist. Curiosity killed the cat. Being too curious can cause trouble. Great minds think alike. Smart people often have similar ideas. The last straw, the final problem that makes things unbearable. Barking up the wrong tree, making a mistake or wrong assumption. See the light at the end of the tunnel, see signs of improvement. Taste of your own medicine, experience what you've done to others. Strike while the iron is hot. Take advantage of a good opportunity. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't have everything. In for a penny, in for a pound. Commit fully if you start something. Make hay while the sun shines. Take advantage of good opportunities. Every cloud has a silver lining. There's good in every bad situation. A taste of your own medicine. Getting treated as you've treated others. Between a rock and a hard place, a difficult choice with no easy solution. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success too early. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Inexperienced people are often reckless. Don't give up your day job you're not good enough to do. Might as well be hung for a sheep as a lamb. If you're going to be punished, go all out.